21 CFR Part 820. Subpart L. Handling, storage, distribution, and installation. 820.140 Handling. Each manufacturer shall establish and maintain procedures to ensure that mix-ups, damage, deterioration, contamination, or other adverse effects to product do not occur during handling. Storage. 820.150 A. Each manufacturer shall establish and maintain procedures for the control of storage areas and stockrooms for product to prevent mix-ups, damage, deterioration, contamination, or other adverse effects pending use or distribution, and to ensure that no obsolete, rejected, or deteriorated product is used or distributed. When the quality of product deteriorates over time, it shall be stored in a manner to facilitate proper stock rotation, and its condition shall be assessed as appropriate. 820.150 B. Each manufacturer shall establish and maintain procedures that describe the methods for authorizing receipt from and dispatch to storage areas and stockrooms. Distribution. 820.160 A. Each manufacturer shall establish and maintain procedures for control and distribution of finished devices to ensure that only those devices approved for release are distributed and that purchase orders are reviewed to ensure that ambiguities and errors are resolved before devices are released for distribution. Where a device's fitness for use or quality deteriorates over time, the procedures shall ensure that expired devices or devices deteriorated beyond acceptable fitness for use are not distributed. 820.160 B. Each manufacturer shall maintain distribution records which include or refer to the location of 1. The name and address of the initial consignee. 2. The identification and quantity of devices shipped. 3. The date shipped, and 4. Any control numbers used. Installation. 820.170 A. Each manufacturer of a device requiring installation shall establish and maintain adequate installation and inspection instructions, and where appropriate test procedures. Instructions and procedures shall include directions for ensuring proper installation so that the device will perform as intended after installation. The manufacturer shall distribute the instructions and procedures with the device or otherwise make them available to the persons installing the device. 820.170 B. The person installing the device shall ensure that the installation, inspection, and any required testing are performed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and procedures and shall document the inspection and any test results to demonstrate proper installation. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.